The ice sheets seem like they're a long way away and like nobody should care about them. But it turns out they matter because they're changing. The ice is getting thinner, it's flowing faster, and it's weighing less. And for all my friends who have coastal houses, everybody who cares about living on the edge of water, whether it's in Manhattan or Miami or Mumbai, it matters where the sea level is. And in the future, that changing ice is going to impact. My name's Robin Bell. I work here at Lamont-Doherty Earth Observatory, where I'm a research professor, and I study the changing ice sheets on our planet. This is the IcePod. We're in the IcePod lab, which is this building where we assemble instruments so we can fly over the ice sheet and understand what's happening, how it's changing, and how it works. I led the process of writing the IcePod grant after it became clear that we needed a new way to look at the ice sheets. Inside the IcePod, we have an instrument that measures how thick the ice is using a radar, how beautifully layered the ice is using a shallow ice radar to take pictures of its surface and its temperature of the surface, 2 different cameras, a scanning laser that measures the surface, and then we have 2 more instruments, a magnetometer, that's at the end of the IcePod, and then we just roll in the gravity meters on a pallet every day. Typically when scientists go out, they often look at just one part of the ice sheet. I have friends who like to look at the bottom, I like friends who look at the top, I have friends who want to know what the rocks are underneath. But what IcePod has allowed us to do, since it has so many different instruments, is to assemble a team of people who look at the ocean, the ice, and the rocks. So together, we can actually bring new insights into how the ice sheets work by not just looking at any piece of it in isolation. Just the beauty of the data, that the fact we were able to go somewhere with the IcePod that nobody had systematically looked at since I was in high school, has allowed us to make discoveries about how things work. There's something magic about being on a plane where you're actually collecting the data. You're flying over the ice sheet. The IcePod lets you look through, lets you see what's underneath that sheet, lets you see the layering, lets you see how thick the ice is. It's really magic to be able to look through this piece of ice that matters for us.